Hello my lovelies, I'm Pat McGrath and I'm going to show everyone how to get this sublime, rosy, chromatic eye look using my Divine Rose Luxe Quad featured in the November Icon box. So explore, discover and have fun. The Eternal Eden Luxe Quad. These velvety shadows are heaven. Use the matte shades to create shape, structure and definition, while the shimmering shades light up the lids and inner corners of the eyes and are best applied using a finger or damp brush for maximum impact. My Dark Star Mascara is a one-coat wonder that gives instant drama with explosive volume and light years of length. After curling lashes, use a contoured brush to apply this formula from root to tip for absolute and gorgeous drama. Take your lips to legendary levels with my MatteTrance lipstick. Velvety, soft and richly pigmented with a modern matte finish. The long-lasting lip color feels weightless and ultra comfortable. Apply straight from the bullet or use a finger for a softer finish. I can't wait to see the major looks you all create. And don't forget, use without caution. Tap the link in the bio to sign up for the Icon box. These quarterly collections are packed with incredible products and they go so fast.